The next thing we're going to learn about is the drawing tools in Scratch. We're going to create another character to dance with our horse in the sky. Last time we selected a sprite from the sprite library down here, but this time I'm going to use the paint brush icon to bring up our costumes painting palette. So this is a great little drawing tool. You can either use bitmap or vector. At the moment we know we're in vector, and that's because it says convert to bitmap here. If I click on this button, we are in bitmap, and it says convert to vector here. The main difference between vector and bitmap is that in bitmap you're manipulating the pixels, whereas in vector you're creating shapes and manipulating the points in those shapes. The neat thing about vector is that you can scale your image so that no matter how big you make it, the resolution stays the same and the image stays crisp and clear. So here are our tools. It's quite simple. You can start with a shape, and if I use this little icon here, I can click on any of these points and reshape my shape. So I can make it all a bit, push things in and push things out, and use these wee slider tools to do some cool things. I can add another shape to my shape. And yeah, if you've added something here, remember you've always got your undo tool to take it away. Back to my pointer. Now you can change the colours. So here's our fill icon here. If you change it to here, you can change the colours, but you need to select your which one you want to change first. If I click on the main shape here and change the fill, you can see it just immediately does it. If you don't want the outline for a shape, you can click on the shape, and over here it says outline. If you push the down arrow beside it, you can take the outline away just by clicking on that, or you can add it back in by plussing the arrows beside it, so it's back in there. Another cool tool is to group our shape. So I'm going to stretch my arrow key all around. I'm clicking and dragging so that it selects the whole lot, and up here there's a group icon. Click on it, and now my shape is grouped together. I can make the shape bigger, I can squash it, I can do all those cool things that you can do when you've grouped a shape. Now I'm going to take the outline off my shape so that it's, I need to select the shape first. Take the outline off, and there it's just pink and purple, lovely. The other thing I want to show you in Vector is that you can use the text tool, and you can type anything you like. Once you've typed it, you can go away and come back to it and edit it, which is great because in bitmap you can't do that. You can make the word smaller or bigger or all those sort of things that you need to do. So using Vector and bitmap, you do all the things you need to do to create your own sprite in Scratch.